Hey everyone, welcome to Philly Crypto Trading Plus. Are you confused by all this price volatility? Are you wondering where prices will be next? Well, look no further. You're definitely in the right place. I'm here to solve these problems for you by providing clear, concise, and competent technical analysis. In today's tutorial, we'll be covering Bitcoin Cash. We haven't done it before. Long overdue. Now, specifically, we will talk about Fibonacci retracements, an ascending parallel channel. We even covered the RSI, Relative Strength Index, if you don't know that, on balance volume, and the SMAs. We'll talk about that. The moving averages. And on a 4-hour time frame, we'll talk about an ascending triangle, and make sure you stick around to the end because we're going to talk about new price targets as well. Now, with that in mind, guys, let's get right to it. Now, what we're looking at right now is what I've drawn an ascending parallel channel, right? I don't know why these keep forming. I don't know. Yes, I do. So, top, shocking, tell you guys all the time. Pull back to the bottom of the channel. Wow. By the way, ascending triangle. I failed to mention that. Forgive me. We'll get to it. Now, so back to the Fibonacci retracements, guys. Pull back. Bitcoin Cash is one of those volatile ones. Now, I've talked before in my other videos in the past, guys. If you don't know about it, you don't stay in it, you don't hear it, go back. Go listen to the Bitcoin videos and the Ethereum videos because they've pulled back to the 0.5 Fibonacci retracements, right? But I always talk about the volatility and the more volatile coins, right? Other than them. And here we are again. Another coin pulls back to the 1 Fibonacci retracement, the volatility I keep talking about, which is your friend like you don't even know. So we pull back from 776 to 404. Oh my God. How can you say volatility more than that? Oh my, what a gift. Anyway, so now we've pulled back. Ironically and coincidentally, we're approaching the 0.618 fib retracement, which is 546.93, right? And of course, below that, the 0.786 pullback was 484.41. So I say this to you because when you take the ascending parallel channel, you see that any pullback would be the 484 area, which would be the 0.786 fib pullback. So we've gone through that, and we've bounced up. We're still waiting, by the way, the 0.5 fib. I say this because if you go back and look at the litecoin video I just did, 0.5 fib coming, right? Well, if that was to occur here, that would be 590.84. So we haven't approached that yet, right? But hey, we're just getting ahead of ourselves, and I don't want to do that. I never like to do that. So, parallel channel, hitting the parameters, nice, right? So, if we were to move up, we're looking for the 590, right? Which is about another 10% higher than where we're at right now. So we have some parameters here. Now I'm going to go to the 4-hour time frame. Okay. I want you to notice, very importantly, we have a ascending triangle. Now, if you don't know what that is, what it entails, what it's about, go back and look at my other videos because I've talked about this numerous times, guys. And I don't mean to go on about it or be repetitive, but guys, if you've been with me, you follow me, you know what I've said. New people, you don't. Go back, watch them. You'll see. Get up to speed because, look, I'm here to help you. I'm here to make money for you guys consistently. So, that being said, sending triangle for me, right? And the top of that triangle is about that 540 area, right? Now, again, going back to my older videos, we have talked repeatedly about the ascending triangle and what happens when we get through the ascending triangle. We usually get a parabolic move. So that doesn't mean that we're going to go from here to there and straight up. No, no, no. We're going to move. We're probably going to come out of the triangle and then touch back down to the top of the triangle, right? So that would mean that we're probably looking for a move maybe in the area of 560, 70, 80, and then back down, touch, and then we're going to go, right? So I've shown you right here some resistances, which in this case would be about 606, 608. Of course, the next one would be 670. Right? So that's our upper targets that we're looking for next, right? But honestly, I think we're going to be approaching the 700s and getting up here 720 to 750. That's what I think, okay? Again, guys, I don't like to get ahead of myself, but this is just what the formation says to me. Now, I want to go back for just a second because I want to cover everything that we talked about, right? Our MACD is looking pretty good here. Getting ready to pop, okay? See this here? Getting ready to flatten out, green, cross, boom, right? If that happens, right, we're so close. We would expect a what? Parabolic move. Our RSI. Approaching 50. We're at 50.91, excuse me. We're actually there. So as long as we're above 50, we're moving higher, according to the RSI. The MACD is shaping up to pop. Doesn't mean it could come up here and then roll back down, right? But that's where you have to take the rest of the picture into context. So we now have a an ascending triangle. That's the most important thing, guys. Parabolic move coming, right? That's what we're talking about. Now, I want to turn this video over to you guys for a second, and I want you to tell me what it is that you like most about the video and the content. Because remember, I'm here for you. This is your channel. So please, in the comments below, let me know that, okay? I'm always trying to improve my content, my videos, and I want to give you the best content that I can. So please let me know what you like about this content in the comments below, and I'll be sure to make and do more of it, okay? Again, it's for you guys. So please make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Also, the more subscribers that we get, the better and more content I can make, continuing for you guys. So please like, share, and subscribe. Now, if you want to learn more, please be sure and watch this next video.